I failed again, Mamiao.
Andre,
Everyone is doing well. Everyone, except me. I'm a loser.
Andre, don't say that. Someday you'll be a model.
All I want is to have enough money so I can finally buy my ticket and go to Brazil. I really want to go home, Mamiao.
Alam mo, naiintindihan ko naman yung nararamdaman mo eh. Kasi, alam mo dati, pakiramdam ko rin, talo na ako sa lahat ng bagay. Tapos dumating si Joe. Pinago niya ang buhay ko. Kaya magtiwala ka lang.
But I can barely pay the rent here. And you've done so much for me already.
Huwag mo na alalahanin yun. Balang araw, pag nakaluwag-luwag ka na, isa ka mo ako bayaran. Hindi malaking bagay, huwag mo nang isipin yun. Wala namang interes. Di ba?
Thank you. You've done so much for me. You're very, very nice to me and to all of us. I really appreciate it.
Andre, you're welcome. Pero other than that, tandaan mo, dapat always fighting. Gayahin mo ko, amandirigma. Always fighting. Diba?
Tama.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay ka na?
Okay.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Hello?
Hi, Miss Clover. You got the Party the TV series. Congrats po. See you po sa set bukas. Isasend ko na lang po yung call sheet and wardrobe requirements.